Today for a short video we have the unboxing and first impressions of the ATuMan FL1 multifunction flashlight. This is like a EDC flashlight, and I picked it up because it seems like it has some neat features. It might even be ideal for like law enforcement for a few reasons, and I'll show you why. So this is my first time seeing it also. So here's your little booklet. They've got some other products, it looks like. Distance measurement, light, different modes. Their screwdrivers actually look nice. Interesting. Okay, put that away. The lanyard. Now that's a lanyard. I like that. That's some military paracord there. Lanyard. It looks real nice. A white standard USB-C to USB-A. You got a clip for it. I guess this is some sort of thing where you can put it on a bike, maybe. Here's the flashlight itself, and first impressions, it feels dense. It feels heavy. It feels high quality. I like it so far. 5-volt 1 amp. There's the bottom where the USB is, the back, top, front where the light is, the button, and this is magnetic. There's magnets here, so that's perfect for, let's see here. Let's try this right here. Yep, works just fine. Pretty strong. So let's try it out, see if it's got a charge out the box. Alright, I hit it once. Pretty good, you know, area, like work light sort of deal. And then again. Okay, that's brighter. Now we're putting out some decent light. Let me pull this off here. Okay, and then again, oh, that's a strobe. And that is one heck of a strobe too. It's bright. And then there is the one that's got police lights, which is really interesting. Oh, it does a bunch of different patterns. That's neat. Huh. Now it's just red. Kind of like you could slap this on the back of your car if you're broke down or something, so people can see you. And then looks like a SOS flash. And then a really like soft light. Bright again, brighter, flash. Okay, so it's just cycling modes. I guess you have to hold it to cut it off. I'll hold it down. Yep. And then here's the charging port here. Wow, it's recessed quite well. And it's got some significant rubber. So I would actually believe that this is IP67. Let's see what it says on here. Doesn't say on the box. Let's see if this says the IP rating. It says bright light duration 3.5 hours, charging time 2.5 hours, low light endurance 43 hours, 2 watts. That might be believable just because of the heft of it. It's got a big battery in there. I don't see an IP rating here, but I swear this thing has got some good things going for it. There's your little lanyard connections there. So it's got like a dual lanyard type deal, one on each side. I like this. This is neat. Huh. Alright, so that's been my unboxing and initial impressions of this ATuMan EDC slash multi-use light here. Pretty neat. I think I give this a recommendation. Nice. Little clip.